I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase in Photoshop. The eraser tool is your primary method for directly removing pixels from any layer. Think of it like a paintbrush, but instead of adding color, it meticulously deletes existing image data. Mastering its fundamental settings is absolutely crucial for achieving precise and effective removal, whether you need to clean up edges or eliminate unwanted elements entirely. It's the goda for direct pixel manipulation. The eraser tool offers three distinct modes: brush, pencil, and block, each serving a unique purpose. Brush mode provides soft, anti-aliased edges, perfect for smooth blending and natural-looking deletions. Pencil mode, conversely, creates hard, jagged edges, ideal for pixel-perfect or sharp, defined removals. Block mode, a square, hard-edged eraser, is excellent for precise geometric deletions. Adjusting brush size, hardness, and opacity from 0 to 100% grants you immense control over your erasing effects. Beyond the standard eraser, Photoshop provides specialized tools for more intelligent removal. The background eraser tool is specifically designed to isolate and remove background areas while carefully preserving foreground details. It samples colors and erases pixels within a defined tolerance range, making it highly effective for complex selections. The Magic Eraser tool, on the other hand, removes all contiguous pixels of a similar color with just one click. These tools offer more automated and intelligent solutions for specific erasing challenges. For a non-destructive approach to erasing, layer masks are invaluable. Instead of permanently deleting pixels, layer masks simply hide parts of a layer, preserving your original image data. Painting with black on a layer mask conceals content, while painting with white reveals it. This method allows for easy adjustments and complete reversibility, offering unparalleled flexibility. Many professional workflows prefer layer masks due to their ability to refine and modify your edits at any point, ensuring your work remains editable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.